The ruling NPP, which has been maintaining a firm grip on the Tura parliamentary constituency for the past many years, has now set its sight on winning the Shillong parliamentary seat and is planning to go all out to wrest it from sitting MP and Congress leader Vincent H. Bala. Making the intentions of the party clear, NPP leader and Cabinet Minister Rakam A. Sangma on Thursday said that in 2024 Shillong will see a new MP from the NPP. Asked what makes him so sure about NPP winning the Shillong seat, Sangma said that NPP is a national party and the way the government has performed in its last tenure and the members of MLAs that we have today is a testimony of the growing clout of the party.
And the way this government, the way in the last MDA 1 and MDA 2, and the numbers today that we are representing in the numbers of MLAs is a high testimony for the people of the state. And this is the National Party. It's a party which connect the Northeast with the rest of the country, with Delhi.
The Joint Coordination Committee for Reservation